This section is going to focus on right triangle trigonometry. Our first example, we are going to solve a triangle. So we're going to draw ourselves a triangle and label the sides. So it's angle C. So then side C is 273. And then angle A, we can pick at random. I'll pick it there, 27.2 degrees. And so then this is going to be side A, and then angle B and side B. So first, if I start with angle B, because I know that the sum of the angles in a triangle have to equal 180. And even more specifically, the two acute angles have to be equal to 90. So if I take 90 minus 27.2, that will give me angle B, 62.8 degrees. Is the measure of angle B. And then I need to find side A and side B. So I'm going to use angle A as my reference angle since that's the angle I was given. I always stick with what I was given. So here, side A is the opposite side, and the side I'm given is the hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse means I'm going to use sine. So the sine of my angle, 27.2, and I write these as a proportion, over 1 equals the opposite side, which is A, over the hypotenuse. And now cross multiply 273 times the sine of 27.2 equals A. Type that into your calculator and make sure that you're in degree mode. And you should get 124.79 equals A. And then to find side B, we have the cosine of, because again, I always stick with this angle that I'm given and the side that I'm given. So side B is adjacent to my angle and 273 is the hypotenuse, so that means I need to use cosine. So the cosine of 27.2 over 1 equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Cross multiply and type that into your calculator, and we should get 242.81 is equal to B. So we have found all the missing sides and angles. We were missing two sides and we found them, side B, side A, and we were missing one angle, angle B, and we found it. Now we can do applications with these as well. Here we have from the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression to the water line of a boat is 23.2 degrees. If the lighthouse is 222 feet high, so from the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression, so here's my horizontal line of sight, and then the angle of depression to the water line of a boat. I must warn you, I'm a terrible artist. All right, so 222 feet high, and the angle of depression is 23.2 degrees. How far away is the ship from the bottom of the lighthouse? So that's this distance, which is also in our right triangle, this distance. And so we need now a trig function. Well, from my angle of depression, I'm given the opposite side, and I'm looking for the adjacent side. Opposite and adjacent means I need to use tangent. So the tangent of 23.2 over 1 equals the opposite side over the adjacent side. Cross multiply x times the tangent of 23.2 equals 222, and then just divide by the tangent of 23.2. And so x is equal to 517.96 feet, so almost 518 feet.